Good morning, class 8 students. We are discussing chapter number 3, question answers, and this is part 9 of chapter number 3. Students, our second question is tick the correct answer. The first one is, which one of the following is not a characteristics of mineral? Answer is 3. They are inexhaustible. Second is, which one of the following is not a producer of mica? B. Karnataka. Third is, which one of the following is the leading producer of copper in the world? It's Chile. Fourth is, which one of the following practice will not conserve LPGs in our kitchen? It's D. Cooking food in an open pan kept on a low flame. Third is, question number 3. Give reason. First one is, environmental aspects must be carefully looked into before building a huge dam. Yes, because dams create imbalance in the earth equilibrium, deforestation leads to environmental pollution, and people become displaced. From cities to village, displaced means they move from cities to the village to cities. So these are the earthquake is also threats, and all these are the reasons. Second is, most industries are concentrated around coal mines because coal is used as a source of energy. Because coal is used as a source of energy and power, and also as a raw material in most of the industries. That's why most industries are concentrated around the coal mines. Petroleum is referred as a black gold because it is black in color and crude color in the crude form, and it is deviated or extremely valuable. As you know that petroleum is very valuable mineral. That's why petroleum, it is used for plastic also. Plastics is made, diesel is there, petrol is made, kerosene can be there. All these are the products of crude petrol only. That's why it is considered as a black gold. Quarrying can become, quarrying can become a major environmental concern. Yes, because it may destroy humus of soil. It produces a lot of noise pollution also. In the process of quarrying, lot of dust has been generated, which cause pollution and also occupy hazards. Clear, class? Now, we are going to discuss question number 4. Distinguish between the following: conventional sources and non-conventional sources of energy. Students, conventional sources are commonly used for a long time, whereas non-conventional is not commonly used. First thing is this: conventional sources get exhausted, non-conventional are inexhaustible. Conventional sources are most polluting, whereas non-conventional are non-polluting. And you can give the examples also. Biogas. Our second question is biogas and natural gas. See, biogas is used by organic waste, such as dead plants and animals matter, cow dung, animal dung, all these. Natural gas is also found through the petrol. Clear? These are the conventional sources, biogas, and natural gas is natural gas is conventional sources, biogas is non-conventional sources. Third point is ferrous and non-ferrous. Ferrous, a metallic mineral ferrous contains iron, whereas non-ferrous does not contain minerals like iron. Example of ferrous is iron ore and magnesium, whereas example of non-ferrous is gold and silver. Our fourth question is metallic and non-metallic minerals. Minerals containing metals in raw form are the metallic minerals. Example, bauxite and iron ore. Whereas non-metallic minerals contain minerals not containing metals or non-metallic. Examples are limestone and gypsum. Students, as you know, I have discussed all the answers with you. Now, if you find any problem, you can have the school planner of class 8 and you can take the help of that, which is easily available at school to solve your problem. Student, in this difficult time, we need your cooperation. So please deposit the monthly fees. Thank you.